yeah, so I have a cocoon right here. And I was thinking if I can just capture the moths or butterflies, I think they're gonna be moths, and just watch them fly around maybe. But I don't know how this is gonna hold up because this is kind of small. Maybe that one will hold up better. Let's see. So yeah, I got this from Amazon. And this is what it's called. It says suitable for gardens, vegetable pots, and orchids. Excuse me. So yeah, here we go. Let's see how it works. Tear resistant, bird and pest barrier, air light water through. That's very important. Plant protection, very important. And high density PE mesh cloth. Yes. I'm guessing that's airflow. So that's all that's very important. Air, light, and water through. That's all I need. Yes. Okay. Let's see if it works. So here's my mint plant. So if you can see, I have a cocoon there. Something was starting here, but I don't remember. I know I put, oh wait, that's the wrong place. Where did I put the other yarn at? Uh-oh. Oh, somewhere over here. Yeah. I put yarn here, so oops. I got something going on right there. So, you see that? Then I'm gonna put the mesh bag. And this, if you can see, it dropped. So, yeah, it fell. So there we go. And I gotta find a place for my bees to get the water. So we're gonna fix that. Okay, I like it. I do. Okay, this is kind of what I was looking for. So the next one I'm gonna put on here. Okay, it's standing up like I wanted to, because I thought it was gonna like fall down. But yeah, so, and I think this will give the moth some room to fly around when it hatches. So yeah, it says it takes about 30 days or so for it to hatch, depending on the type. So yeah, let's check out the next. And here we go with that. There we go. I think it'll give lots of room for the moths to fly around. Okay, that was, I mean, it was $8. I didn't want to spend $8 on this, but hopefully I can keep it. And also, I might put this over my chives because I read that these seeds here are not good for the birds. And I think they took the seeds out of my first set of chives that bloomed. But yeah, here we go. And here we go. Perfect.